Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and we are doing this series of questions and answers session on starting different types of businesses in China. And this video is about how to start an import and export company in China in 2019. Well, as I mentioned before in our different videos, other videos, general laws for foreigners to start a company in China, they haven't changed since a couple of years now, at least since 2014 or 16 in some cases. That means that to register a company in China as a foreigner, you don't have to actually have any, or pay any large amounts of money. I'm talking about trading and consulting and some other types of WFOEs, which are, WFOE stands for Wholly Foreign Owned Enterprise. So for trading, consulting, and for import and export, that is trading, or for restaurant, you don't really have to invest a minimum amount. Okay, that's the general case. You just have to prepare a general business plan. Okay, it doesn't have to be really detailed. You just mention the intended investment amount. Okay, for trading company, as I mentioned before, it's normally 300,000 USD. You just mention it on your business plan, and then plus you need to mention that on your application, and given that all the documents provided, you will get a general business license. Okay, that will be valid for 30 years, and that intended investment amount is going to be mentioned on your business license as well, and which means that within the validity of your business license, you will have to inject that investment into your company. Okay, so by 2049, if you get your license in 2019, by 2049, you kind of have to invest that amount. Okay, so you will have 30 years to invest that amount. So that's the general situation. Okay, coming back to your topic, coming back to the question how to start an import and export business in China. After you've got your general business license, you will have to obtain additional kind of not license but additional plastic card from the port, okay, of the city you are located. For example, in Shanghai, you will have to get that plastic card from the Shanghai port. Okay, that enables you, okay, to start exporting business. For import, you don't have to get that. Okay, so that these are the two requirements. And under general license, normally you can have all types of products except for food and beverage, of course, because these two categories, they need special additional licensing. Except that, you can have almost all types of products that you can do import and export from and to China. All right, including chemicals, stone, different type. I don't know, you name it. Any type of product, basically, electronics, or or the metals even. I don't know, just think of any type of product, and that general license normally it covers everything, pretty much everything, even clothes, fashion, whatever. Yeah, medicines are not going to be included because that is again restricted type of business for foreigners. You cannot trade with medicine. All right. So except that, you can have different type of all type of products, and you can import and export on the general business license. All right. So if you need any question, if you want to help, if you want any help with that, if you need to know more about this, you can scan these QR codes using your WeChat. If you want to register a company, you can contact us. Okay, if you don't have WeChat, I suggest you download WeChat, because in China uh, the main means of communication right now. In 2019, WeChat is the dominant social networking platform. So if you don't have one, download and then use your mobile phone to scan these QR codes. And first one is the individual account, and second one is official page of our company on WeChat. So you can follow this official page to stay up to date with the current laws and regulations, business laws and regulations in China. And if you want to register a company, you can always contact us. Okay, we're happy to help you. Okay, and send us an email or call us directly. Thank you.